What's up, guys? Today this is my second fire alarm collection video. We'll start off here. First, this is a Chinese fake Spectre Alert Classic horn strobe. You see the fire lettering and KK Moon. This is a Simplex TrueAlert model 4906-9101 remote strobe. This right here is my Gentex SSPK 24-15/75WR speaker strobe. And this right here is my Siemens UMHU MCS horn strobe. This right here is my EST Genesis G1RF VM strobe. And this right here, oops, is my EST Genesis G1F VM. And this is a Siemens US75W strobe. And this right here is my Gentex GECB24 PWB. As you can see, this is the rarest Gentex alarm of all. And you know, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Rate, comment, like, and subscribe. Hope you enjoy. Peace out.